I was really nervous about this, and I wasn't even sure this was going to be worth it. Like, far more than I expected to be. This is the first time that I've done anything like this being the story post, the snail mail club that I started, and it felt incredibly personal. I kept thinking, are people actually going to like this? And then the other thought would come in, who do you think you are doing something like this? I had major imposter syndrome because I don't have a background in art. I'm an accounting major, and here I am designing prints and writing these little prompt cards that are supposed to be meaningful. And I felt very uncomfortable. But I've noticed that's usually when I don't walk away from something. Well, it is now winter again. Somehow we lost our spring. It's getting cold and rainy all over again. I kept going back and forth on everything. I would design something, I would print it out, I would lay it all out to see it, and I'd look at it for a second and think, this doesn't look how I imagined it. Or I'd change something or print it again and just stand there like, okay, is this even good? And I did that far more times than I want to admit. But I know that's just the nature of me starting something new and finding a rhythm and figuring out what works and what I think you guys are gonna like. But then it all started to turn around. I put a plan together and I just took baby steps every day, every week, every month as the idea slowly came together. And then it was the day that I actually hit the button to activate the website and let all of you guys know. And to my surprise, over the next couple of weeks, 372 of you signed up. And I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I was gonna throw up. Partly from excitement and also because, oh my gosh, I have to put 372 envelopes together. Having my green juice. That's not so green. It's got some beets in it. They're so yummy. I actually started drinking this when I was living in Scottsdale, Arizona. Oh, I can't remember the name of the juice bar. There was a juice bar there. Anyways, it was a greenie, and I always asked them to add a little bit of beet and ginger in it. It's so good. I actually drank this a lot when I was recovering from my kidney stone because just, I don't know, felt better and felt like a kind of detox thing. So that's what's for breakfast this morning, Georgie. So Georgie has been doing something very interesting. Georgie, do you want to show them your toy? Look, her lammy. Did you get your lammy out? Did you want your lammy? So the reason why that is significant is because Georgie, she's trying to get her dog. This is the only thing that she usually plays with, her dog. And she's had the lammy here for a while. But yesterday, so weird, I came in here after working in the office and her lammy was up on the couch. So it was on the floor before. So she actually got it out and she's playing with it again, kind of. She really prefers the dog, but it's like she cuddles with Lammy. It's so cute. Today's dinner is chicken sausage, just one. I ate a lot of my calories for lunch. I'm trying to eat like smaller meals for dinner. So yeah, I'm having this and this ice cream, mint chocolate chip to be exact. It's my mint chocolate chip protein powder with a few little goodies. I did some almond milk in this one this time. That's what's for dinner today. Super easy. I just got off of a lovely call. It was a call for the membership group, the table, and our book club, and we talked about a few other little things in there, but it was so wonderful to meet so many of you and see your faces for the first time. And I just love the community that we're building there. It has been so much fun, and I think you guys are feeling it too. If you didn't know, we just started this. So the book club, the first book was for April, and then we are doing a Zoom call mid-month, and then we're going to do another call at the end of the month that will just talk about the book and just, I don't know, whatever we feel like talking about. So anyway, that was fun. I enjoyed it. So excited. I got in all of my prints, or some of my prints for the Snail Club. Oh, I can't wait to see what they look like. This is my first one. Oh, I hope they turned out okay. Eek. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, these turned out so good. It's the prompt cards. I really like it. Oh my gosh, so adorable. They're going to be rounded, so I have a tool for that. Oh my god, my sunrise postcards. Those turned out so well. My Mediterranean lentil soup. Needless to say, things got real very, very quickly, especially when all the items arrived that I wasn't actually printing myself, and I had everything spread out on the kitchen island. I definitely had a moment where I was questioning my life choices. Do I actually have what it takes to put all this together? Because a big part of my channel and my life is about slow living, and here I was adding more to my plate. But I did know that I had in my plan to hire people to help me actually pack the envelopes at some point. That's part of the business plan for this. But interestingly, once I started putting everything together, I was collating each piece into a stack, wrapping it in the pink tissue paper and sealing it with this small little sticker for the theme this month. I started to feel a little bit more at ease, and seeing it all come together after working on it for months, oh, it felt so good. Especially once I found a rhythm with it. I still felt a little bit uncomfortable, definitely a little bit out of my element, but I kept going anyway because something about it felt worth doing for me and for you. I think a big part of this came from the emails and the comments that I get about how calming my videos feel and how much people enjoy the slower pace. And I wanted to create something that brought a little more of that into your everyday life, even if it's something small like the prompt cards that give you that little extra boost of calm, and everything else that's in the envelope builds around that. So is it worth it? Absolutely. And I'm really enjoying it, and I hope you do too. Good morning. Wow, what a day it was yesterday. I was so excited. I got in all of my items for the Snail Mail Club. 3 things that I ordered from Vistaprint, and I think they turned out so well. I'm so excited. But I'm not gonna lie, as I had everything spread out here, I was like, okay, now I have to pack all of these things. And there was a little bit of moment where like, oh my gosh, am I gonna be able to get this done? This is so much work. But I'm actually having so much fun with it, and I do have help coming. Part of it is like getting a system together and figuring it all out. And I finally got a system together, and I ended up going to the couch, and while I was talking to a friend or watching a movie, I was kind of collating all of the items that go inside of the envelope and inside of the tissue paper, and it actually was going pretty fast, to be honest with you, as I started like getting it all together. So, you know, it just takes time. This is the first month, but I'm so excited to see it come together. It's so much fun. It's gonna be different every single month. And today, oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful day out. It's like spring again. Like for the last 3 or 4 days, it's been winter. I had to get out my winter coat again because it was so cold outside.
I couldn't believe it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spring day. Well, I'm gonna fix my breakfast and then I'm gonna get back to work on, well, I have video coming out tomorrow, so I have to actually go and figure out the thumbnail and the title for that and get all that ready to go so you guys can watch it tomorrow, and then switch gears and back to the Snail Mail Club and filming all along the way. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. So I wanted to let you guys know that the May mailing is open, so you can get signed up on my website at amberjbaldwin.com. There's a link at the very top that says Mail Club. And I think the thing that I really love about it, one, for me, it's the creativity, but two, it's the community building that we're having with everyone, and the fact that I've been talking a lot about slow living and calm and peace. I think it's just something that we all really need, especially right now. This is my slow living snail mail club, and the thing that I really, really love the most, besides like the art prints and doing all the creativity, the prompt card is one of the things that I think is so helpful to people because it's actually something that you can use. It's tangible. They're going to be the same size every month so that you can kind of collect them and look through them when you need something in there. Maybe something will spark an idea or something to help you bring that calm and peace into your life and create slower mornings and intentional spaces for yourself. So I hope that that really is something that will be helpful to everyone. And this month, April's, was really built on a couple of things. One of my very, very favorite things in the world is a sunrise. What that represents, slow mornings, my coffee, which is the art print, all of the colors that are in here are of the sunrise. So the pink, the blue for the envelope, part of the sky, the letter is yellow for the sun. So if living a slower, intentional life and bringing some more calm and peace into your life is something that you're interested in, click that link down in the description box or the pinned comment. It'll have a link to join the Snail Mail Club called The Story Post. And here is what is for breakfast. I have chicken sausage, eggs, spinach, apple, and peanut butter. Oh, what a beautiful day it is again. Oh my gosh. It's gonna come and go. That's the Pacific Northwest. One day it's spring, the next day it's winter, the next day it's spring again. But I think today it's supposed to be very, very sunny, so I'm excited. And look what happened here. I was able to finish all of the story posts last night. I'll be honest with you, my process was so slow in the beginning because I just was like, I don't know what I'm doing here with this yet. You know, as far as putting a process together and making it really efficient. But I did it. I was supposed to have help come tomorrow, but I don't actually need them now. So, but I probably will this next month. I'm going to engage them with it. Anyways, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. I covered up the addresses for people, but everything is stamped and ready to go. And this is all my US subscribers and then my 2 international packs. Don't you just love these stamps for international also? And then these are the ones for the US. They're so cute, a little heart, which is kind of poignant for what we're doing here. Gosh, I think I'm losing my voice, which is kind of weird because I haven't really been talking a lot. Well, first things first, I'm gonna take Georgie out for a walk and then, of course, get my coffee. I need coffee really bad right now.
There she is. Hello, baby. Did you want to go outside?
It's my wild child, the wild child, Georgie. Having a little protein smoothie. It's the chocolate and peanut butter one. Oh, it's so yummy. I actually did milk and half almond milk in this one. Keeps the calories a little bit lower. Still has lots of good protein in it. Okay, I gotta get to work. Today is a video release day. It's a Saturday. Just released a video. I need to sit in the comments with you guys and enjoy that. And then I have to go to the post office to mail all of your story posts. I just can't wait till you guys get it. It's such a personal thing. I hope you guys love it because I really loved creating it. It was absolutely so much fun. And then when I got the packages from Vistaprint that showed some of the things that I didn't print myself, I had them mass print for me just to see it come to life. Like, I don't know, it was just really amazing to see it all in print, and it turned out so wonderfully. Like, of course, agonized, like, is it gonna be bright enough? Is it gonna misprint somewhere on the page because I did something wrong? Like, these are all the things that go through your head, and I double, triple check everything to make sure that it's hopefully okay, but you just never know till you get it. And it turned out all really well, so I'm just thrilled. I hope you love it. The next thing I need to do is I need to actually put them on side of this container, and then I'm gonna take them to the post office. Okay, here we go. Well, I just sent off the first mailing for the Snail Mail Club. Oh my gosh, it feels so surreal. I'm so excited. Anyways, your snail mail is on its way. It's Saturday, April the 18th. So hopefully you'll get it fairly soon, unless you're international. It's going to take a little while. But if you are international, by the way, I would love to know when you actually got your mail. So send me an email or you can contact me on my contact page on my website and let me know when you actually got it. So I'm sending it on the 18th, so it'll be interesting to see how long it takes to get to you. Oh, what a day today. Well, I am feeling a little bit low energy right now. I think because I was up a little bit late just doing some catch-up stuff and getting a video out to you guys and all the Snail Mail Club stuff. So even though it's gorgeous, I think I'm going to sink into the couch today. So these are the types of things, like, you know, even though it's beautiful outside and I really want to go out on a hike, I really do, I can feel my energy be really low and I feel a little bit tired. And so used to in the past, I would just go, nope, it's so nice, I'm gonna take advantage of the day, I'm gonna go out on a hike. So now I just really listen to my body. It kind of tells you what you need, right? So I'm gonna give it what it needs. That's coffee right now. So I'm showing this coffee to you. Oh, it smells so lovely. So this is Tony's coffee. It's made in Bellingham, Washington, which I know some of you are actually from there, but it's up north, it's close to the Canadian border, but it is the best coffee. I just love it. It's organic, and this is my favorite one, Cafe Carmelita. So we're gonna have this today. I'll let you know how it goes. I haven't made this in the mocha pot before. One more pour from the remaining amount. Look at that. And there you have it, my afternoon coffee. Wow, the flavor. That is so good. Do you want to come sit up here on Mama's lap? Okay, come on. Come. You can do it, good girl. I did love this girl. I did love you, yes. She's just a good girl. Look at that baby face. I'm so proud of you. She's lost 2.5 pounds. I think she's finally at her goal weight now. She's almost feeling a little too skinny to me, even though she's not. Look at that girl. She just loves to be in Mama's arms. Yeah, she lost 2.5 pounds. It's been since last May, so just nice, slow and steady, and she's done so well. So I'm gonna have to put her on maintenance mode now. Yes, she's a Michael girl. I love her eyes. Oh, you like that word, eyes? Yeah, you got pretty eyes and a pretty pink nose.